So in the last lecture, we defined this mammal object. Now let me show you a couple of useful built-in functions. We have this function isInstance, and it tells us if an object is an instance of a given class. So if we pass m and mammal here, obviously this m object is an instance of mammal. So when we print the result, we should see true. What if we pass animal here? Let's run the program. We still get true because mammal inherits from animal. So an instance of the mammal class is also an animal. Now let me show you something interesting. This animal class that we defined here inherits from another class called object, even though we didn't add that here. So we have a class called object, and that is the base class for all classes in Python. So every class that we have directly or indirectly derives from the object class. Let me show you. So let's delete this and go back to line 18. Let's see if m is an instance of object. Run the program, we get true. So mammal inherits from animal, which inherits from object. We also have this built-in function for creating an empty object. Now, if we inspect this object, you can see all these magic methods. These are the magic methods that every class in Python has. So if we type m dot, you can see our mammal class or our mammal object also has these methods because it inherited them from the base object class. We have another built-in function that you might find useful in certain situations, and that is subclass. And with this, we can see if a class derives from another class. So let's see if mammal is a subclass of animal. Print the result. Obviously, we get true. Now, if we change animal to object, we still get true because mammal indirectly derives or inherits from the object class.